Are you tired of the bright Pipedrive interface hurting your eyes? Switch to dark mode in under 30 seconds. If you spend long hours staring at your CRM, that glaring white screen can really start to wear on you. I get it. So let me show you how to flip it to something a lot more comfortable right now. I will show you exactly where to find the theme settings and how to toggle dark mode on instantly. It is a quick change, and once you see it, you will wonder why you did not do it sooner. So the first thing you want to do is open up Pipedrive. Just log in like you normally would. Get to your main dashboard. Do not worry about navigating to a specific deal or contact. You just need to be logged into your account. Now, look all the way up to the top right corner of your screen. See that little circle with your initials or maybe a profile picture inside it? That is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is the gateway to all of your personal account settings, so this is exactly where we need to be. A small menu will pop down. From that drop-down, you want to click on the option that says Personal Preferences. This is where you can tweak things like your language, your time zone, and, of course, the look and feel of the whole interface. Once you are inside the Personal Preferences area, look at the left-hand sidebar. You will see a list of different categories. Click on the one that says Interface Preferences. This is the control center for how Pipedrive actually looks to you. Now, give it just a second. The page on the right will reload, and it might take a moment to load up the settings. Just wait for the Appearance section to appear. You will see a few options here, but the one we care about is the one that says Theme. Go ahead and click on that Theme drop-down menu. By default, it is probably set to Light, or maybe System Default. Click on it to open the list. And here is the exciting part. Select Dark. As soon as you click it, you will see the magic happen. The whole interface will switch to dark mode automatically. You do not have to save anything, there's no confirm button, it just changes instantly, right in front of you. Take a second to review the interface. Look at the sidebars. Look at your pipeline view. Everything gets that nice, deep gray background with light text. It is so much easier on the eyes, especially if you're working in a dimly lit room or late at night. In my experience with these settings, this is one of the most satisfying little tweaks you can make because the effect is immediate and the relief for your eyes is real. And that is it. You are now working in a sleek, eye-friendly dark mode. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the exact same path and select Light instead. Thanks for watching and happy selling.